Welcome to Color Factory Kids, where we believe that drawing should be fun, it should be easy. And if you stick around today, Remy, you stick around. By the end of today's episode, you're going to learn how to draw your very own Furby. Yes, I said a Furby. The main shape that we're going to work with today is going to be with a circle. So with this circle, you're going to walk away being able to draw your very own Furby. So when we look at a Furby, Remy, we see a Furby is like a big fuzzy ball, right? But still, we have to cut it in half because the eyes and the nose go down the middle. So let's cut the circle in four and put the top line a little bit higher because the eyes of the Furby are kind of higher on the animal itself. Is it an animal? What is it, Remy? What is a Furby?
It's a toy.
Oh, it's a toy. Okay, it's on top. All right, so now Furbies, the one thing about Furbies, Remy, is they have big, ginormous eyes. So let's do some circles here to capture the eyes.
My eyes are going to be huge.
We'll come back and add detail to it, but for right now, we just want to get the placement. Once we have that, then we have the snout, which is...
What's a snout?
A snout is like the beak. I don't know if it's a bird or not, but it looks like a beak. But it also here. So we have a circle for that. And then ours, the one that we're doing, has like a little antenna right on top here. So we have the snout.
I'm doing it like this.
That's okay. So now you put the little antenna on top because that was your favorite part about this one.
Because I like the antenna.
You like the antenna?
Because it's glows.
Glow. So then ours has huge ears.
But I'm going to copy that one.
You're going to copy that? Yeah, you copy that. Just look at the detail there. Ours has, this one, I did mine a little different, but that's okay. We have humongous ears. And then another one of the details is the feet. The feet is like little nubby toes, kind of like puppy toes.
But with a line there. But we're going to come back to that.
It looks like it has 3 toes, doesn't it? You did what?
Too long.
And then right on the forehead, ours has like
forehead?
Kind of has like a little flame.
I like it.
Okay. So we have now the basic shape of the Furby. Now, and the reason I always do it this way, because I like to spend most of my time on the details. But if we start on the details and we don't have the basic shape, at the end of it, you might not have the right shape. So I like to make sure that we have the basic shape down, then we come back to the details. My guy has a cool, different colors around his ear.
Mine has the same.
Yours has the same? Yeah, so I'm going to put those colors on here.
I'm adding white around, in the middle, because that's what it looks like on here.
And I see yours looks very good, Remy. All right, and then mine on the mouth, I got to come over here. Yeah, the mouth kind of looks going to look like a hamburger. Look at this mouth. It looks like a hamburger.
I'm doing the eyes a little different.
And the eyes are big, beautiful eyes. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of detail in these eyes. You know what's cute about this is that these eyes look so innocent.
What's innocent?
Like it can be your best friend.
The eyes could be your best friend?
Not the eyes, the Furby. Well, that's the whole reason. Your Furby is supposed Supposed to. I never had a Furby when I was little, but I think you talk to the Furby, and the Furby learns to talk to you, and it becomes your friend.
It does. I'm doing a lot of shiny.
We have a lot of details in it. This eye has a lot of details. That's what I like about it.
Oh, this eye is taking me time, so I need a lot of time.
Well, that's okay. That's the cool thing is the more time you put into the details, the better it's going to look. And usually when we draw these, Remy, we normally draw them pretty fast, but you don't have to draw real fast. You can take your time, spend the morning drawing one and put in all the details that you want. And the more details you put into it, the better it looks for you. Sometimes I've spent days, like 3 or 4 days on one picture, Remy.
Okay.
A lot of time. It all depends what I'm drawing.
My hand is hurting.
Your hand is hurting? That's a lot of details if your hand is hurting.
Look.
Oh, that looks so cute. We forgot to say the tools. What tools do we need to use on this one? Need a pencil.
Eraser, pencil, markers. And I'm using these and
some smaller pens for a little smaller detail. But if you don't have the markers, you can use colors. You can use color pencils. Actually, color pencils are really fun as well. One day we'll draw with color pencils.
If we don't have these.
Yeah.
Like if we're older.
Yeah, so okay. How far you gotten on yours, Remy?
So far.
Oh, yours looks like a lot of detail. All right. I'm kind of liking mine, Remy.
I'm liking mine so much.
Did you know when you first get a Furby, it has its own language called Furbish? What does it sound like? I have no idea. Have you ever heard of Furbish?
Maybe like this.
That kind of sounds like Furby. But the more you talk to it, Remy, it starts recognizing your voice and the words that you're telling it, and it becomes English. So it blends the Furbish and the English, and next thing you know, you have a friend that you can beep beep and talk to. Isn't that cool?
Beep beep.
All right, so now we're gonna take that marker to it. We're just gonna outline it and then erase it, and then we're gonna add color to it.
It takes a lot of time.
But we're going to speed this up. Like Remy said, this takes a lot of time. Ooh, this is a thick one. Remy said this takes a lot of time, so we're going to speed the process. Oh, this one.
You used the gray marker.
Okay. So we will see you guys in a little bit. Ready, Remy?
Bye.
3, 2,
Fast
1. Gonna do is we're gonna add color to it.
But after I'm done,
we have kind of the same color palette, but again, I want you to draw these things and make it your own. They don't have to look exactly like ours, just kind of follow the concept. And this way, when you're drawing by yourself, you can have your own fun. And if it's a color blue, you pick a color green, whatever color you want. Just kind of follow along with that.
Just follow along from the details, but not the tiny details.
Right. They can make it their own unless they really like your style. They can make your style. So we're going to do this, and again, we're going to speed this up. But before we do, Remy, would you rather have your own Furby that flies or a Furby that swims that you can take to the swimming pool?
A Furby what can fly.
A Furby that can fly and they can carry you, or that you just tell it to go get you a donut in the morning?
Do both.
That'd be a ginormous Furby if he's going to carry you. All right, so we're going to add color to it, and we're going to speed up the video. But if you are you think we're drawing too fast, pause the video. And when you pause the video, then you can kind of catch up. Look at our drawings. I'm kind of leave you some space here so you can see what we're doing. And then once you catch up, put it back on play. So we will see you in a little bit. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. As we wind this down, we're getting down to the end of the color. We can actually spend a lot more time and put a lot more detail on it. But here we have, I think, a great looking little Furby. I've never drawn a Furby. Hey, Rami, let's take time real quick to thank our friends, because we have a lot of friends that follow us and watch these videos. So thank you, guys. We really appreciate you. We see you. We know that you're there. And we're so happy that you are. Remy, thank your friends.
Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you, guys. Be kind
there.
to each other. And if there's anything that any questions you have, reach out to us and we will make sure that we can answer whatever we can.
Subscribe right here.